Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. We have another update for my no buy. It's kind of turned more into a low buy than a no buy. Because I still only made one purchase in March, but I made 3 purchases so far in April. Not all of them have come in, they're still en route. But I can show you the one that I did at Dollarama, my favorite store. Anyway, let's talk about the rest of February went good. March I had one purchase, and that was from Shop Mascara. I got a refillable magnetic palette. And then I got a few goodies, which I'll go over with you. I got their Inferno Kiss Plumping Gloss. Now I have tried this one. It's not that plumping, but it's lip gloss, and I like it. And then I got it in Hades. And Dante's Desire. So going with the Inferno Kiss theme. And then I got some Buttery Blur creamy lipstick. Supposed to be kind of like the Violette FR. This one's in Mauve. I haven't opened them yet, so. The only one I opened was the clear Inferno lip gloss to try it. This one is in Caramel. And then this one is in Scarlett. I think they're kind of gonna be, well, the Clinique Black Honey is sheer. These are more creamy, but I think it's gonna feel kind of like you're feeling. So this is my bag that's making a lot of noise. And then I bought some mascaras. I got the Big Boss mascara and the FATLASH mascara. So that was my, so this is my March purchase. April 6th purchase. I went a little ham in Dollarama. I bought some more nail tips. These ones are just plain nails, but still nice. Be nice for fall. Bought a bunch of lippies, some and then some other stuff. So Ultimate Hydration Lip Oil Collection from Estate Cosmetics. From Lori Cosmetics, I got lip glosses. Like I need more lip glosses. And yet some more lip glosses. These ones are Matte Made Perfect Rich Color. So they're like a matte lip gloss. Okay, we'll see how that goes. Plush Pout Cream Lipstick from Estate Cosmetics as well. They're in Lush, Posh, and Soft. I'll tell you what these other Estate ones are in. They're in Bloom, Nectar, and Cherry. Very nice. I got some backup of my banana boat. As I showed this, then I saw Hawaiian Tropic there and thought I'd try it as well. So I've got 2 sunscreens. And then this felt like a blast from the past. Remember the Dippity Doos in this format? And then they went to the bottles, but some hair gel. Should do me for a while. So, and yes, and I also did 2 more purchases from Shop Miss A, but they haven't come in yet, so you'll see those in my next update for No Buy 2026. As my emoji for my blenders goes. Anyways, that's my No Buy hauls for April and March. See you next time, loves. Bye-bye.
For me, work, for me, work, the body for me, what?